Dalawa pala kami sa buhay mo. Sinungaling mong puso, paano ba tatanggapin?
Bitawan mo na. Palayain mo na. You have to let go in order for you to grow. Dapat puro ikaw naman sa bagong taon. Kasi nung nakaraan, hindi naging ikaw eh. Heal yourself, love yourself, and trust yourself again. Kahit masakit at sobrang hirap, sana this time, piliin mo naman yung sarili mo. Much love and God bless.
And I'll always love you. Deep inside this heart of mine, I do love you. You hurt me this way. Everything I knew was loving you. How could you try pretending your love was never ending? Now you can't even say that you will stay. How could you say you love me when you would go and leave me? How could you make me hurt so bad when I have loved you more than anyone could do? Can't believe the pain that I'm feeling now because of loving you. Never really said goodbye. Never said goodbye. We never really said it's all. Never said goodbye. We never really said goodbye. First love never dies. When I saw you, I could hardly breathe. You're just as beautiful as ever been. I guess it's still the same mystique. First love never dies. We never said goodbye. Never said goodbye. We never really said goodbye. First love never dies. Tandaan mo na lang ang sasabihin ko sa'yo. Ang pag-ibig ko'y di magbabago. Kahit malayo ka sa piling ko, umulan bumagyo, ayos lang. Huwag kang mangangamba, ayos lang. Kumusta ka, mahal ko, ayos ba? Sana'y di pa rin magbabago.
Alikot ng batang ito. Parang si Sultan ayaw talaga tingin ko nakakasabi ng ganyan. Putang ina. Anong talagang batang yun.
you wish you go